Hey everyone, today we're going to do something super practical, something every single developer needs to do at some point. We're taking that awesome project sitting on your computer and we're putting it on the internet for the whole world to see. And the best part? We're going to do it in just 5 simple steps. Let's get right into it.
So, you've put in all the hard work, right? You've coded, you've designed, you've tweaked everything until it's just perfect. You have a portfolio you're actually proud of. But now comes that big, looming question. How do you get it from your local machine out there so that employers, clients, or, just your friends can actually see it?
Because right now, that brilliant project of yours is kind of trapped. It's living in a folder on your desktop, and its entire audience is, well, it's just you. We are about to change that big time.
Look, getting a website live can feel really intimidating. You start hearing all these scary words like hosting fees, server configurations, FTP clients. And it just sounds like a massive headache, especially when you just want to show off your work. But what if I told you there was a way to just skip all of that?
Well, there is. And it's our hero for today, GitHub Pages. This is the simple, elegant, and frankly amazing solution we're going to use.
So what is this thing exactly? It's basically a free service that's built right into GitHub, a platform you're probably already using to save your code. It's designed for one specific purpose: to look at a repository full of code and, with the click of a button, turn it into a real, live website.
So why is this the perfect tool for us? First off, and this is a big one, it is 100% free. No credit card, no hosting fees, nothing. Second, it's so simple to set up, as you're about to see. It's also fast and reliable. And maybe the coolest part, your live website is directly tied to your code. When you push an update to your project, the website just updates itself. It's incredible.
Okay, so you're sold. How do we actually do it? Here's the entire game plan, broken down into 5 super manageable steps.
First, we're going to organize our files locally. Then, we'll create a new home for them on GitHub. We'll upload them, flip one little switch to turn on GitHub Pages, and then that's it. You're live. Seriously. Let's jump into step 1.
All right, first things first. Before we even think about the internet, let's get our house in order. This isn't about complex coding. It's just about simple, clean organization. I want you to make one single folder for your entire project. Everything goes in here, your HTML file, your images, all of it. Now here's a super important pro tip. Open your HTML and double-check your image paths. If your picture is called profile.jpg, the code needs to say profile.jpg. Exactly. It's case sensitive, so spelling counts. And listen up, because this is the most important rule of this entire explainer. Your main page, your home page, has to be named index.html, all lowercase. Why? Well, because pretty much every web server in the world is automatically programmed to look for a file with that exact name to show as the home page. If you call it myportfolio.html or anything else, it just won't work.
Okay, our files are prepped and ready for their big debut. Time to head over to GitHub. We need to create what's called a repository, or a repo for short. Don't let the words scare you. It's literally just a folder for your project, but living in the cloud.
So, go to your GitHub account and click that big green New button. Give your repo a simple name, something like My Portfolio. Now, this is key. Make sure you select Public. GitHub Pages needs the repo to be public to work. You can ignore all the other options for now. Just click that Create Repository button.
Perfect. We got our neat folder on our desktop, and we've got our empty new folder on GitHub. Now we just need to put the files from one into the other. And honestly, this is as easy as attaching files to an email.
Right inside that new repo you just made, you'll see a link that says Add File. Click that and then choose Upload Files. A new screen will pop up, and you can literally just drag your index.html file and your image files right onto it. Then hit the green Commit Changes button. That's just GitHub's fancy way of saying save, and boom, your files are now officially on GitHub.
We are so close. The files are in place, the foundation is built, now it's time for the magic trick. We just need to tell GitHub, hey, see this folder of code? I want you to turn it into a live website. It's basically like flipping on a light switch.
Okay, in your repository, look for the Settings tab. Click it. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Find Pages and click that. Now, you'll see a section called Source. It'll have a drop-down menu for the branch. A branch is just a version of your code. You just need to select Main, that's the one you just uploaded to, and then hit Save.
And that's it. No, really, that's all. You have just done all of the technical work required to launch a website on the internet.
Just let that sink in for a second. It's pretty cool, right?
So, you did it. The switch is flipped. The code is uploaded. Your portfolio is now officially on the World Wide Web. Let's go take a look at the final result.
Now hang on, just give it a minute. In the background, GitHub's computers are whirring away, taking your files and pushing them out to their servers around the world. This can take anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds, so if you click the link and it's not there immediately, don't panic. Just grab a drink of water and try again.
After that short wait, your site will be live at this URL. The format is always the same. It's your GitHub username, followed by .github.io, followed by a slash, and the name you gave your repository. This is a real, shareable link. You can text it to your family, put it on your resume. It's live.
And there you go. In just a few minutes, and with 5 simple steps, you've gone from having a project stuck on your computer to a live portfolio you can share with anyone. You've just torn down one of the biggest barriers for new developers. So the only question left is, now that you can build anything and share it with the world instantly, what are you going to build next?